It's all done. No. It's all done. Do you want to play with the cat toy? Do you want the cat toy? You eating a feather. You think it's a bird? Do you think this is a bird? She wants it so bad. Milo's like, what the fuck?
I've used the triangle structure to make the trees very rigid so that the hut won't actually sway.
You got all those toys on the floor and you need the cat toy. You just need it. Just spoil a little brat. Cats can't play with it. You need it. Alright, I'm putting it away. No more toy. No more toy. It's all done. It's all gone, Marta. What, are you waiting for it to come back?
It's all pretty basic, but that's the point. Just making such a cool thing out of a whole lot of rubbish.
You're such a weird dog. You're a cat.
Yeah, to complete that. And we just all at night because all of my mates had full-time jobs, so we obviously couldn't work during the day. We'd come out and bring
Oh, you almost got it. Gosh, why do you like cat toys? I'm never gonna be able to put this away. She keeps finding it. She's getting aggressive for this. No. Alright, are we all done? Putting it away? You good? Okay, goodbye, toy. No more. Going good night. Say good night, Marta. Good night to the toy. Alright, go play with something else now. Alright, bye.